In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust the maximum change when it comes to iterative calculations in Excel. So the maximum change is the threshold that Excel uses to decide when to stop doing iterative calculations, where if the difference between the previous calculation and the new calculation is less than or equal to the maximum change, Excel will stop doing iterative calcs. So to show you how I can change this, you can go to File, Options, and Formulas. Now, iterative calcs are enabled by this box check right here, and you can change your maximum change to be more accurate by increasing the zeros, which is important if your calculations are super sensitive to rounding, or you can have your calculations be less accurate by reducing the number of zeros and changing the number like so. And this is helpful because a higher maximum change will make it to where your spreadsheet will process faster and go through your iterations, but your numbers will be less accurate. However, a lower maximum change will make your numbers more accurate at the cost of more processing power. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.